Alright, so I've delayed starting this video for like 3 minutes because for unknown reasons to me, the train is going wicked slow. 10 miles down the road, it had to stop completely for a construction project. But there is no construction project where it is now. It's past the construction project. So I don't know why it's still creeping along. Looks like a Charger that's leading by the headlight. Maybe it's starting to pick up a little speed now. Finally. Yeah, we can hear the horn. It's about a mile away. So when we could hear the horn, it was a mile away, and that was like a minute ago. So it's like this thing is doing 30 miles an hour. I have that vertical on the iPhone set up right near where the collapsed rail tie is. It's taken it a minute and a half to get a mile, so it's going pretty slow. Wicked slow. Anyway, Amtrak Floridian, northbound. Next stop is Okeechobee. Going slow.